What are we doing with the Ilco Bravo 3? Stay tuned.
Welcome to the show, everyone. This is Mike with Door Lock Tips. We're going to be talking about the Ilco Bravo 3. This is a beautiful machine. Oh man, I'm sorry to say it's not going to be part of the backdrop anymore.
Don't forget to hit that like button.
And I'll tell you why. I'm going to sell it. Yep. To a really great locksmith up in Michigan. Oh man, has been watching my show. He was on his way to go buy it, and believe it or not, I texted him and I said, hey, I'm going to sell my machine. And he said, you are? And I said, yeah. He says, I want it. So I'm going to box it up today. I'm going to show you how beautiful it really is. This is a brand new machine. I've never used it. I bought it for a certain project and I never used it. Brand spanking new, out of the box. The problem is, I threw away the box. Oh man, this is a tip for the day. Don't ever throw your box away, ever. It's got serial numbers on it, it's got all kinds of stuff. It's made specifically for the key machine. It has all the right packing, going to be safe if you ever have to ship it back. So I got to build a custom box today, which will be kind of cool. I'm going to line it with styrofoam from Lowe's, box store up the street. I'm going to show you exactly how to protect this bad boy in shipping because we don't want to get hurt. It's perfect, it's brand new, and I don't want to see it damaged in any way, shape, or form. And by the way, I'm going to ship it with insurance, and I'm going to have a signature for it because, you know, there's these thieves. I mean, a locksmith talking about thieves? Well, there's thieves out there that will go on your porch when something gets dropped and they will take it off your porch. Who would ever think that would happen in our day? Well, it happens all the time. I cover the outside of the box with a brown box just from the box store. I'm going to use 3M90. I'm going to spray and attach the box to the outside. So I'll have a double layered box. I'll have it lined with 3/4 inch styrofoam, and I'll wrap the key machine in bubble wrap.
You guys are going to see it all unfold. Get it? Unfold.
I hope it won't get hurt. Insurance, signature. I'm going to give it its best try to get up to Michigan. Let's see just how I'm going to ship my bad boy, Ilco Bravo 3. This is such a cool machine. I'm going to miss it. I'll put another machine in its place. I'm going to miss this beautiful machine. It is a great machine. All I ever did to it was I turned it on to see if it was still in calibration. That's all I've ever done. Guys, this is it. Beautiful Bravo 3. I'm going to miss it. It's been a nice addition to the back of my video studio. Have I mentioned coffee lately? It's so cold here in North Carolina. It's going to get down in the 20s tonight. I have my 8 o'clock coffee. Oh, that's delicious. Freshly brewed. I grind it myself. Get the beans from Sam's Wholesale Club. Yeah, I love it. Oh, back to the key machine. I have to take the handle off though. This handle is gonna make it just perfect so I don't wreck it. Let's get into the show. Let's get that steam coming off. Maybe you can't see it. Thank you, Sam's Wholesale Club. These are the great machines of the industry. ITL Bravo 3 by Ilco. Great machines. These are what you would call, for a locksmith, world class. You can't beat this thing. It is indestructible in that you can run it 8 hours a day, 6 days a week. There's nothing to wear out. A great machine. I love this machine.
Stay till the end to see all the close-ups and the boxing and everything else.
I wish I would have kept the original box. Keep the original box, guys. Let's take a real close look. Oh, I'm gonna miss this Bravo. It is a great machine, especially next to the ITL. Wow. So there's the Bravo. Perfect condition. Great little handles to turn for locking in your keys.
This runs as quiet as a mouse.
By the way, this comes with all the goodies. Everything that you would get in the package is right there. There's some spacers in there and stuff. I just love it. Look at these chucks. Aren't these cool? And you push this down and that releases the face so that you can turn the chuck easily. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That is really neat. The motor and everything is all self-contained. Oh, and guess what? You even have a brush with it. Really nice because you can deburr your keys after you've cut them. You can't turn on the machine when it's locked down like this, so nobody gets hurt by that sharp blade. Wow, this is some cool stuff. Full switches on it. Yep, I love it. Bye-bye, key machine. Bye-bye. We have our box I'm going to use. Super great box. I have my printer in it. I'm going to line it with 1/4 inch styrofoam. I'm going to line the inside. I'm going to put this box on the outside. Kind of tough. But let's see how I'm going to do this. I really don't know.
Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.
Yikes. Oh man. Got my Husky utility knife. Okay, let's see. It's heavy duty. Let's see. Yeah, wrap that side up. I got the box line. I use 90 by 3M. This stuff's great stuff. A little pricey, but it sticks to the outside. I lined all the sides, and I'll line the top when I'm all done. Oh boy, that should take some shipping. The box was already really strong. Those guys that surf your porch and want to rob, I don't want to have it advertised HP printer that doesn't exist anymore. I wish I would have kept the original box. Keep the original box, guys. Put this poly on there. I can't wait. I'm going to put it on the inside with this 1/2 inch plastic foam. Good stuff. Can't wait. I'll put the key machine in, wrap it in bubble wrap, and things should be good. And I'll take it down to UPS. Oh, and insure it.
Don't forget to hit that like button. Let's get back to the show.
Have somebody be able to sign for it. Everything should be good. That's the way you want to ship your stuff, guys. That way everything's safe. Did I say insure it? Yeah.
I think the box weighs about 20 pounds all by itself.
Look at that. Nicely lined. Double cardboard. Styrofoam on the inside. All sprayed in with 90. It has a little bit of a fume, but that's pretty strong. I hope UPS will take it this way. Got to take some handles off of it. Let's get rid of handles and all that kind of stuff so it doesn't damage itself in shipping. I'm gonna use some of the tools that came with the key machine. Oh, isn't that nice? Let's get this off of here. Ooh, I got the extended warranty. It's not under warranty. Would be nice though, wouldn't it? Here's the tools, Allen wrenches, and there's some spacers in there, all kinds of good stuff for cutting best keys and things like that. This is a duplicator, one of the best in the business, world class actually. So let's get out some Allen wrenches. I think that's what we want. I think so. Go ahead and look in here. I got them all rubber band hair together. That all came with the machine, which is nice. Yeah, there it is. I'm going to do this gently. No damage. Wow. Pretty tight. What a great machine. It's going to be missed. I loved it in the back. It looks so cool. Oh, that's neat. And cover. I'm going to take that off. I got to get this handle off. Slides in there. That's pretty cool. We'll put that back in there. And you know what? I think I'll put these screws back in here. Don't want the wrenches hurting anything. Hey, there's even fuses in there. So evidently you can blow a fuse on that. You don't want that to happen. Got the plug. Don't want to forget anything. It's a long ways. In here. There we go. Now this can all go in the box. I'm going to miss this beauty. Goodbye, nice little machine. You sure were helpful to me in all my videos. I appreciate it so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to wrap this bad boy up in shrink wrap. It just fits in that box. This will be the last time you see this Bravo 3 by Silka in all my videos. Goodbye, Bravo. Bravo to ya. Now this thing is just fitting in here. Here's all the tools. Oh, that's nice. Goodbye, goodbye. And then I'm going to put this piece over the top of it. Oh, this is perfect. You can't get a better fit than that. And then I'll put cardboard over the top of this and write top on it. Everything's cool. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Gonna put it in the truck. Now, I highly suggest you cut along the top there. I marked it because I got this sealed with spray 90 and every manner of goodie. And I'm thinking if you don't cut along the top, you're not going to get it out. Hit the like button, guys. Hit that like button. Smash it. Smash that like button. I'm going to miss you. Wow, that was heavy. You're going to need a utility knife. Just cut along the top right there. You won't hurt nothing. And you'll be able to get into this because that box is pretty much indestructible. Thanks for coming along for the ride, guys. Man, it's not every day you get to sell your beautiful key machine to a really nice guy up in Michigan. He's a locksmith, and I hope he enjoys it as much as I did because it is beautiful. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Tell your friends, smash that like button, and there's a super like. If you hit that thing, you smash it, you'll help the channel out, and I'll be able to buy more goodies like this, show you the ins and outs and all the stuff on how to box them, ship them, and that kind of good stuff. I'll be back with more door and lock tips. Yeah! Thanks again, guys. Thanks, guys. Yeah! Have it, guys. Bravo 3 gone. Please subscribe to my channel, tell your friends, and I'll have more door and lock tips like tell your friends, and I'll have more door and lock tips like this coming your way in the future.